Welcome to our FAULHABER Drive Time. I already had a few videos where I explained how to set up the communication for such an integrated motion controller out of our second generation having the CANopen interface, and there is a video about the tuning of these units. Here I want to add a few details how to use the additional tools in the Motion Manager, because the graphical analysis is slightly different for such a CANopen version, and so let's check this. So here's once again the view of the Motion Manager. When I now want to use the Graphical Analysis to check the movement of the drive here, then I might get a warning that the drive has to be in the operational state of the communication, because the Graphical Analysis is using PDO services out of the CANopen services, and these are only available in the operational state. So that's an OK here. And then the next one is the Motion Cockpit. That's the tool that I'm going to use to command the drive here. So switch on and start the logging here. Default is for position and for speed. And now let's switch between two positions. And I can do this repeatedly. Okay, so that's the default view. In that case, when I want to examine additional or different values, I can't select them here out of a menu. What I have to do first is adapt the PDO configuration, because the Graphical Analysis with the CANopen drive always uses the actual values available in one of these TX PDOs. So I can select which of the PDOs I want to use, but I can't change the contents of the PDO here. PDO configuration is available on the configuration, and that's the PDO Mapping. And this would be the transmit PDOs. And for example, if I want to use and check, let's say, the velocity and the current, I would first have to remove one of the values here, because a maximum of 8 bytes can be mapped to such a PDO, and then let it be the current actual value, and add this to the PDO here and send this, and I can close this, and then the velocity and the current would be available as the values to be logged in the Graphical Analysis here, and I can once again start the operation here. And when I stop this here, this obviously now is a different one here, because then the red line is the speed that we are seeing here. So here the short phase of speeding up to the 10,000 increments, and here the current that we do have while doing so. So that's slightly different compared to the RS232 version, because we always have to adapt the PDO mapping first, and only then we can check these different values using the Graphical Analysis. So if you got any questions about this, it might be the best to directly contact our MC support team. Of course, you can also contact your local sales team, and otherwise, well, leave a comment here. Thanks for watching, and bye.